everyone. I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you how I use just an Enviro cloth and window cloth to clean my flat top stove, because this is an area that a lot of people struggle with. So I had cooked homemade chicken strips and mac and cheese, and I just made a kind of a greasy, grimy mess on my stovetop. So I just want to first show you, it might be a little hard to see in the video, all the grease on here. And in the past I used to get out like Windex or paper towels, and I would struggle with how to get the grease off of it. But now with the wet Enviro cloth, it is so simple. So all I did is take my Enviro cloth, I fold it into fours because I'm going to use the flat surface so I can mechanically clean everything off the surface. I just have it, it's fairly damp. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you this, okay? So it's real simple. Doesn't really matter how you do it, but it's just keeping it flat so that I can remove all the grease, grime, dirt, and then put a little elbow grease in there, and then I'm going to go back a little bit around my knobs. It's really easy. Okay, so now I think I have everything mechanically removed from there. I'm going to lay that down, and I'm just going back with my window cloth, which, like I said, remember they work as a team for smooth surfaces like this that have a shine. And look at that. Voila, it looks great. Very simple. Okay, so now we're going to go over to the sink. I'm just going to show you how you can reuse this. Okay, we're going to come over here, and we are just going to, I'll tell you first before I turn on the water. I'm just going to basically run it under hot water. I'm going to press it together. I'm going to agitate it. I'm going to rinse it. Okay, so you just want to get like some crumbs and grease and things on here. And when you feel like you've gotten it pretty clean, just rinse it out the water. And sometimes people call this like a hot dog roll. I'll just take it like that and then twist it, get as much water out as I can. And now I'm just going to go in my laundry room. I have a hook, and I'm going to hang it from this tag. And then by tomorrow it'll be dry, and because of the silver in the cloth, it's going to purify the cloth, and we can use it again. Okay, thank you.